This is video number 5 about descriptions. If you haven't seen the first 4 videos, you are missing a big part of it, because in this video I will gonna show you how to make descriptions unique and why our descriptions are always selling our items. It's very simple. Takes just a few minutes, so that's why this video is pretty short, because there is nothing to do. We do very powerful things in a couple of minutes. Just watch the video.
Come on, bro, this is not a joke, no? So this is our item, and as you see, this is a very good item with absolutely amazing reviews. And here is our work we did. Okay, so we got title here and we got keywords here in the previous videos. Okay, so now it's very simple. Just first we take those bullet points, all right, copy them and paste them in our notes. Okay, very easy, very simple. Then we go back and we get description. Okay, we scroll down there and there should be description. Those are the description, this the same bullet points. This is about some freaking company here, I don't know what it is. Product description is here. Huh? Product description. Pretty lousy, but we take that one. Okay, and we paste it here. That's all we got. Okay, we just make some separate here, like not to mess up with our mind. So that's it. Now we have to do something useful here. And we have to provide some value for our buyers, because this is crap only. Okay, so we do something better. We go back to Amazon. It's very simple, just watch me. You click here on those stars, okay, then you click on those stars on the line here, the yellow line here. Okay, so that's your second click, right? So when you go there, you can see the real people what are saying, not the advertising, but this is the real people saying something about this thing. So all what we need is to find out what the real people are saying about this stuff. Let me see. Oops, here we go. They fit perfectly in a palm. They are sharp enough to actually click quickly. Well, small shape on the blood and the short. My little one screen before quickly. No, this is the best description. Come on, guys. This is the best description because of the people. Real people say real things, okay? Not those crappy things here. Now, what I got here is product description. Now, where's my keywords? Large nail clippers. Okay, I will replace they. Large nail clippers fit perfectly in a parent's palm. They are sharp enough to actually clip these nail clippers are sharp enough to actually clip quickly and well. The small shape of the clipper's blade fits right under the little nails, making it easy to get them quite short. That's a perfect product description. Okay, you need only a few minutes to make outstanding, perfect product description based on real reviews. Okay, what we do here with the bullet points, plastic, nobody cares about the plastic. I don't need 100% plastic. I have no idea where it made. Curved clipping edges. Alright, let it be nail clippers. Long nail clippers with, okay, with curved clipping edges. Easy grip handle for a sure hold. Easy to use for seniors. Okay, oops, what's that? I don't need everyday baby essentials. If I want to put something about the perfect for gifting, no, perfect for baby. Or I can go back to Amazon and check it out what the real review says about the baby. And this one, it looks good for me. As a new mom, I was avoiding cutting my little one's nails because of only clippers, blah blah blah. And then it goes here, and then it comes something like it's easy and comfortable to use, and I can precisely cut his nails where needed. great for the babies. You see, guys, it's so easy, perfect for baby. Just paste in here, perfect, and easy, comfortable, or even better we can do perfect, easy and comfortable to use for baby. Precisely cut his nails were needed. Great, great, great. That's it. Bullet points. We got here bullet points. We got here bullet points. We got here product description. That's it. That's how you make the best selling item description. And because of what we just did here, eBay will gonna show you much more than everybody else, because you are coming up with a very good product description here. That's what we are doing with all our products. Easy peasy. See you on the video number 6. Take care. Bye bye.